Morning everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic, coming to you from Tonopah, Arizona. It's just outside of Phoenix, west of Phoenix, and it is absolutely beautiful here. The sunrise this morning was absolutely gorgeous, and it's just a really nice area up in here. Free camping. Of course, it's dry camping, as I always do. You know, I don't like paying for camping. Main road in is way down there. I trucked it all the way in up through here. Just took it real nice and easy. And it's a pretty narrow, pretty rough road. I just had to go nice and slow. Unfortunately, coming back into these areas, well, can have its hazards. Evidently, I caught a piece of wood. Looks like a branch off of one of these trees. And then went through the sidewall inside. Right up in here. I used a mirror to take a look at it. At first I thought it was glass, but nope. It's a piece of wood. Went through the sidewall. It's a good thing I got that spare, but I think I'm going to try and patch that sidewall with a plug to get me down out of here, because I don't want to put my spare on and get another flat. So if I can patch this good enough to get out of here, then I'll put the spare on when I get down to the main road, and then get me a new tire. Anyway, I'm going to hang out here for several days, maybe a week or so. Take a couple of small bike rides, nothing stupid. And, yeah, definitely no hill climbing. But, yeah, just enjoy the scenery and check this place out a little more. There's a road that goes all the way up in this canyon over here. It looks like it might be kind of interesting. Go up there and see what's up there. Well, I found a message in my spam folder that reminded me I never did give the total gallons used on a load of laundry, and I appreciate it, Jim, for the comment and the question, and I apologize that I guess after cleaning the coach all day I just completely forgot about the total gallons. But the total gallons was 26.91. And this is how I came up with that math. Okay, so the total tank height is 13 inches. So every 1 inch is 7.69 gallons. And I used 3.5 inches worth of water. And that came out to 26.91 gallons. Now there is a taper to this tank, so really I'm thinking it was actually closer to 30, but That's the closest I can get with the math on this. So I'm sitting here just enjoying the scenery, and the sun was hitting this just right in this tree. See if I can get it on camera. And that red, I don't know what it is just yet. Gonna walk over there. Somebody left something in this tree. Some kind of stones or jewelry, something. Well, I don't know what this is actually supposed to be. It's obviously been here a while. Any idea what it is, guys? I also found a little peace sign over there. Interesting. Might break out the metal detector and see what else is over there. Also been finding a ton of these agates. I believe they're agates. All over the place. Bet they'd look pretty cool polished out. Probably take a few months to get them nice and smooth, but there's some interesting colors. I found some dark red ones and various other ones. Yeah, I'm just catching up on the status of the hurricane. Headed into the Gulf Coast. And that's because my daughter is actually in the path of it. Her and her family. Looks like it may go a little further to the east towards Panama City, which is a good thing. They won't get the brunt of the storm as if it came in like Ivan did over around Gulf Breeze. So, yeah, that's good news for them. Only bad thing is I'm pretty sure they're going to be out of power for a while. I just hope everybody stays safe in both Fort Walton, Defuniak, even Panama City. Hope you've prepared and you're ready to hunker it down. And we've been through hurricanes before. Isn't the first one, right? So have that hurricane party. Try and have some fun and ride it out. I wish you all the best. Peace out, everyone.